And that's what's crunching. That's the crunchy sound.
An aftermarket cable will, instead of having a bunch of small ones to make up one of these,
It's like
just be cables that thick and they don't bend as well. That's why Yamaha uses that thin cable.
And that wasn't even a real crunchy part. I think the crunchy part's probably worse.
There's areas where it's okay, Joe, and other areas that it gets real bad.
Yeah. Let's just see what this section looks like. If you were a gangster, this would be a cool tool.
Yeah, it would.
Take a finger off and
Well, that one looks pretty good right there.
it's starting.
Yeah, but it looks better there.
Yeah.
Go find a crunchy spot just for fun. Do it right in here. Really crunchy right in there. Would the positive do it more than the negative?
No, usually the negative's worse. So far, we actually
We're only doing positives. That looks shiny there, but don't cut your finger, Joe.
I was gonna say we're gonna have recording.
starting.
Getting that green, huh?
Yeah, but it should, at a year and a half or so, should look like that all the way.
Mm-hmm.
Because there again, like we talked about, current doesn't run inside the cable, it runs outside.
Mm-hmm.
Longer. So it can't run. What's that?
It's a good thing to them because
That's the motor end, and that usually doesn't get too bad. It's the other end.
Well, I'll tell you, it's do the ground side on that one. Just we're definitely not going to reuse that one.
There we go. Look at that.
There you go. How's that, brother?
Wow.
How's that for black?
Mm-hmm. That's almost purple. Look at that. How
Yeah, it is.
Watch you don't cut your fingers on that, Matt. You know,
that's where the crunchy sound's coming from.
Well, and a lot of times
You can
we
hear it.
could have, if on an older one, we'll say, okay, we'll go back, okay, no sound, we'll chop them there and put ends on them.
Mm-hmm.
But